Good day, this is Ma'am Ace and welcome again to Ma'am Ace Curious Mind. Class, napakadami ng problema ang ating kinaharap ngayong mga nakaraang buwan. At alam ko sa atin na tayong lahat ay nagpipilit na humanap ng solusyon upang mapagtagumpayan ang mga problemang ating kinakaharap. At syempre, lahat tayo gusto ng solusyon sa ating mga problema. Pero, ano nga kaya ang mga tamang solutions? Ngayong araw ay ating tatalakayin ang iba't ibang types of solutions. Kaya makinig ng mabuti kay Ma'am Ace. Nagulat kayo, akala nyo kung anong mga solutions. Siyempre, ang ating tatalakayin ngayon ay yun munang solutions sa inyong module. At itong video na ito ay magiging inyong gabay upang mas maintindihan ang mga types of solutions. At bago tayo mag-discuss ng tungkol sa 3 types of solution, ay atin munang balikan ang mga terms na kaugnay ng mga ito. Unahin natin ang solution. Okay? So ano nga ba ang kahulugan ng solution? Solutions is a liquid in which solid substance has been dissolved. Ibig sabihin, class, kapag sinabing solution, meron diyang na-dissolve na solute. Okay? And yung solute na yun ay na-dissolve sa solvent. So, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng solute at saka ng solvent? Okay. Unahin natin ang salitang solute. So, ano nga ba ang solute? Solute is a solid substance that is dissolved in a liquid. Ibig sabihin, class, kapag sinabing solute, ito yung mga natutunaw sa kahit na anong liquid. Halimbawa, kapag natunaw ang asin or asukal, ay ibig sabihin ito ay ating solute. And then, kapag naman sinabi nating solvent, ito naman ay liquids that can dissolve the solute. Ito naman, yung mga nagtutunaw sa ating mga solute. Halimbawa na lang ng ating solvent ay ang ating water. Okay? Subukan nga natin kung naintindihan nyo ang pagkakaiba ng solute at solvent. Now, for your learning task 1, you will identify what is the solute and what is the solvent in the solutions that I will show you.
For our first example, we have lemonade. So we will identify the solute and the solvent. Okay, so the solute is the lemonade mix and sugar, while the solvent is the water. The next one is coffee. So what is the solute and what is the solvent? Yeah, so the solute are the coffee beans, creamer, and sugar, while the solvent is the water. For the third example, we have choco milk drink. So, what is the solute? That is the chocolate bar and sugar, while the solvent is the milk. And last, we have strawberry shake. So, what is the solute and solvent? So, the solute is the strawberry powder and sugar, while the solvent is the water.
Very good, class! At dahil tama lahat ng inyong sagot, pwede na nating i-discuss ang 3 types of solution. Ito nga ay ang unsaturated solution, saturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Okay? Isa-isahin nating mabuti. Unsaturated solution means that the solute is completely dissolved and you can add more solute to that solution. Okay, ibig sabihin, class, kapag unsaturated solution ay natunaw, na-dissolve ng mabuti yung solute na inyong inilagay. Halimbawa na lang, tinunaw nyo yung asukal sa tubig. So kapag ito ay natunaw completely, ibig sabihin ang inyong solution ay unsaturated. At kadalasan kapag sinabi nating unsaturated ay mas maunti or kakaunti lang ang solute. At malaki naman ang kadamihan ng solvent. Okay? Now, for saturated solution, it is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. At the saturation point, all the solute is already dissolved and you cannot add more because it will not be dissolved. Ibig sabihin, class, kapag sinabi natin saturated solution ay sakto lamang yung dami ng solute para ma-dissolve sa inyong solvent. So, ibig sabihin, halos magkasing dami lang ang ating quantity ng solute at quantity ng ating solvent. For supersaturated solution, it is a solution that contains more solute than a saturated solution. So, ibig sabihin, class, kapag supersaturated na, ay hindi na natin kayang tunawin yung solute dahil sobra-sobra na siya. Ibig sabihin, napakadami ng solute kaysa dun sa solvent na inyong inilagay. And kapag supersaturated, ang tendency niyan ay mag-crystallize na dahil hindi na kayang ma-dissolve. Okay? So, naintindihan ba ang pagkakaiba ng tatlo? Okay, so ano-ano nga yung tatlo? We have, first, the unsaturated solution. And then the second, we have saturated solution. And the third is the supersaturated solution. Okay, so ready na kayo for your learning task number 2. Class, for learning task number 2, I will show you the materials and the steps for your activity. And what you will do is to follow the steps and then you will identify if the solution is unsaturated or saturated. And then you will give reasons to your answers.
Class, here are the materials that you need to prepare. First, 2 teaspoons of sugar for solution A and 1 teaspoon of sugar for solution B, 1 cup water and 1 cup water, and then teaspoon for stirring. So note, cup of water should be the same in equal amount for both solutions. So here are the steps. Label the 2 cups with solution A and solution B appropriately. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1 cup of water for solution A and stir until a sugar are dissolved. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1 cup of water for solution B. Add another 1 teaspoon of sugar in the same cup of water for solution B. Stir until all sugar are dissolved. And then copy and complete the chart below, which is you will identify if it is saturated or unsaturated solution, and then you will write your observations that will support your answer.
Now, for learning task number 3. So, I will give you situations and you will identify if it is saturated or unsaturated solution.
Okay, for number 1, a 500 gram of flour completely dissolved in 1 liter of water. For number 2, when another 200 gram of flour was added in the solution, the additional flour was not dissolved completely and settled. For number 3, the solutions cannot hold any more solute when added in the solution. For number 4, 1 cup of gelatin powder completely dissolved in 400 gram of water. And number 5, the milk powder cannot be dissolved anymore in a cup of water. Okay, so you will determine if it is a saturated or unsaturated solution.
Now, for learning task number 4. Okay, so dito naman makikita kung talaga bang naintindihan nyo ang pagkakaiba ng saturated and unsaturated solution. So, what you will do is you will write explanations about unsaturated and saturated solutions. That is in paragraph form.
Okay, so you will just put explanations about the difference of the two solutions in this part.
For learning task number 5, make a simple activity or experiment that will distinguish your skills in identifying saturated and unsaturated solutions. So you will write the materials that are available in your home and then write the steps that you will do. And then at the last part is the result of your experiment.
Okay, so you use the materials that are available at home and that ensure safety in preparing the solution. So write the materials and the procedures. And then write your observation and draw the setup of your two prepared solutions. Write your conclusions about it.
Now we are done with our discussion. I want you to reflect on what you have learned today about the 3 types of solution. Can you now explain and differentiate the 3 types of solution, which are the unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions? Okay, thank you for listening. And again, this is Ma'am Ace. And I really want you to share the knowledge that you have gained today to other students and to your other classmates so that that knowledge will be treasured forever in our heart. Thank you and God bless.